Alright guys, so welcome back to the WideFox build. At some point, if you are building a Foxbody Coupe or Notchback, you are going to probably need to adjust your trunk either side to side, up or down, or somewhere to match the quarter fenders or the tail lights. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So before you start adjusting anything, stand back and really take a look at your trunk and how it fits against the quarter panels, either side to side, fore aft, and especially up down. That's probably where you're going to have the most problems. Now the seal inside here should be in good shape. If it's not, go ahead and replace that prior to starting this. And that way you know that when it's done, it's going to seal properly, and that way it has the only influence on it you need. Now, if you need to adjust your bumpers here, also replace those in the corners. That way you have all the seals in place, and your final adjustment is going to be the last piece you need to do in case you need to change your seal. Now, some of you guys may not understand all the differences between how to align pieces, how to fasten them down, and what adjustments there are. So when you close a trunk, it shouldn't have to be slammed. If you have to slam it down, most of the time it probably needs to be adjusted here at the striker. So this has already been adjusted, but you notice I don't have to slam it down. I don't have to force it in to get it to lock and press against the seal. If you look across the back here, side to side, you'll notice on each side where it sits. It could be tilted one way or the other, which could be the metal, or it could be this. Either it's too high or too low. You can open it and adjust this. Now your striker inside your trunk is going to have 2 bolts. You can just loosen those up with a 7/16 wrench or a socket, and then slightly adjust it, tighten it back, close it, and then you can run your fingers across it. Now it should feel roughly the same height. If it's too low, obviously you'll feel it step up. If it's too high, you'll feel it step down. You can just keep adjusting it little by little here until it matches here. Now, obviously if it's too far down, it's going to be really hard to seal, really hard to close. If it's too far up, it's not going to touch your seal, and it's going to be here. So just make sure you use your fingers to feel it crossed. Now, once you have it there, you can start working on your front corners that way. Now, if you lift this up, one thing you'll find where the strut comes up in is that there's going to be 2 bolts on the outside. Now, these are what fastens the trunk lid itself to your strut bar here. Now this will control your fore aft and your up down. So when you take these loose, don't try to adjust all of it at once. Either pick a direction, which is going to be fore aft, which will be this way because it's up, or if it's down, it'll be this way, of course. And then you've got up and down. So you can take this loose, and you can tilt this up or tilt this down to start matching the periphery here. Make sure it matches the profile. Now you're going to do these each side by side. So if you're working on the passenger side, make it fit here, tighten everything up, go to the driver's side, do the same thing. And you're just going to work it back and forth until it all fits together. Again, it doesn't have to be slammed when you're done, but just do these 2 bolts, fix this way, and it's also going to do fore aft and up down. So it's pretty simple to adjust your trunk. Remember, 2 bolts up there, striker in the middle back here where the lock is. Make sure it closes nice and smooth, good seals, and everything's going to fit fantastic. So that's it from Basin Motorsports on how to adjust your trunk. Now remember, I've already showed you how to adjust your hood, and I may do the doors. I've already done mine, but if you guys need to know how to adjust your doors, let me know. I can make a video just for that. We'll see you next time.